Chuta everybody, today I'm going to cook pork with these leaves and they look like pan. What do you think? The ingredients required are pork, we need chili flakes, rice flour, and then we will use these leaves. These are called khartong leaves. Do let me know what you call them in English. And then we also need ginger. We'll add the pork in this bowl. We add water. We'll add spoon of soda and then we add salt and we'll add our chili flakes. Oops, it's gonna be spicy. And now it's time to cook this. We'll put this here. So now we will give it a good mix and let it cook for 20 minutes. And we are going to add ginger. We add ginger so that it does not cause any allergy. And today we're not going to use garlic. Like I told you, do let me know what you call this in your language. So I've been told to clean it like this from the top and just get rid of this, and then you can just tear it all. You don't need a knife to do so. So this leaf actually has a very pleasant taste. I will not call it exactly bitter nor sweet, but somewhere in between. So this is how you prep all the leaves. So isko hum log guduba bolte hain. So look at the meat, it's all plump. So we'll let it boil for 15 minutes. Now we'll add ginger. We'll add these khartong leaves. It has started raining while I'm cooking this, and this recipe is perfect for this kind of weather. Now we'll let it cook for another 20 minutes and then we will add rice flour. Now do you see, just because I've added soda earlier, it has retained the green color of these khartong leaves. The last ingredient which goes into this recipe is this. This is rice flour. Now we'll add all of this into this. And all you need to do is keep stirring it so that it does not produce any lumps. It's already looking so amazing. So the rice flour has thickened the soup, and slowly the leaves are also going to disintegrate. And now look how it's looking. The gravy has thickened because of the rice flour, and we'll let it cook for good half an hour. Everything slow cooked is the mantra. It has been cooking for the past 1 hour. Now it's time to taste this. Yes. Ooh, let me take this meat part. Cheers. The meat is tenderly cooked and the leaves are too flavorful. I really enjoyed making this recipe for you all. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you all in the next episode. Bye-bye.